Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. You guys know what time it is. We're going to be talking about XRP. Shout out to the XRP family, of course, day in, day out, so much support that you guys show me. And yeah, continue supporting. You will see a continuation of these daily updates. Of course, we got a lot to discuss because, when I pull out the charts, things will make, complete sense. And as you're looking across the board, yes, we are seeing a few coins across the board that are seeing a little bit of a retracement due to obviously dominance picking up. But, XRP is one of the very few coins that's still up about 1.3%. And if you're looking at the last 1 hour, you are starting to see the market kind of picking up traction, which of course should be, focused on. But let's take a look at XRP's price and see what is happening. But before we do that, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So the price of XRP, $2.43 as of now, up 1.4% in USD, down 1.1% in Bitcoin comparative though. Market cap almost at about $140 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume at about 4.2 billion. But let's quickly go over some of the news that I want to share with you guys. So as far as ETF flows go, you guys know the brand new week started, and as far as ETF flows go, you could see around 9,950 Bitcoin and 35,410 Ethereum were bought on January 6th. So in terms of Bitcoin, that's almost $1 billion in net flows and about $130 million in Ethereum, net inflows. So, quite interesting to say the least. Moving forward, and also in addition to this, you have seen Bitcoin obviously cracking past the $100,000 price point, and that's something that I don't want you guys to be ignoring. But moving forward, you can see BlackRock's IBIT and Fidelity's FBTC bought a combined total of $579 million worth of Bitcoin on January 6th. So again, if you want to put this into perspective, about 600 million, that's a huge chunk of the Bitcoin ETFs inflow that we saw. So quite interesting, right? Moving forward, this is something that, a lot of people are talking about in the community, and I kind of want to shed some light on this. So you can see the ongoing Ripple and SEC case has been generating buzz as the January 15th deadline approaches. Speculation surrounding the case has intensified, with many wondering how will it ultimately play out. Jeremy Hogan, a well-known legal expert, recently suggested that the case might settle in April or May, which could lead to favorable outcomes for XRP holders. However, some have raised questions asking why a settlement is necessary if the SEC lost the case. And again, in this case, obviously a lot of people are getting excited. Oh, Donald Trump is coming into the office. We're going to see this lawsuit coming, to an end. I do believe this is gonna get, pushed yet again. Who knows? After Donald Trump is in office, maybe the new administration can kind of take a look at this case yet again. But I kind of agree with Jeremy. April is something, April or May, and I think once this case is over officially in favor of Ripple, it goes unsaid. I think the XRP's price will reach an all-time high. And speaking about all-time highs, I think the price could actually reach an all-time high before this lawsuit is even over, in my opinion. But today all I saw on crypto Twitter was Bank of America, Ripple, Bank of America, Ripple. And if you are an OG XRP holder, of course, I'm sure you guys know about this, but we know about, Bank of America testing Ripple, within their organization. So of course, in terms of, this collaboration, this is not something new that we're hearing for the first time. We've been knowing about this for quite some time. And, now as you are seeing completely, regulatory clarity coming towards, cryptocurrency industry, and you're just seeing a global shift happening. You're seeing crypto assets, being taken quite seriously. Maybe you do see some of these banks, kind of taking a look at, crypto and, start offering crypto to their clientele. Imagine how much money can flow in. Remember, a lot of people don't realize this. Whether you're looking at Canada or the US, because a lot of people will forget about Canada, but, both countries, because I've been in both countries, and both of these countries, if you go into any of, and I know anyone can relate with me on this, if you go into any of these big centralized, big banks, any of them, top 5 or even top 10, whatever you want to call it, you go to them and talk about crypto. They're just going to be like, no, that's it. We're not doing anything. And, I think this is where that change happens. And right now, obviously you're seeing a lot of these big connections that are taking place. But, we still want to kind of give it some time to really understand what's happening. But again, never say never, right? Let's take a look at what's happening with the price right now, though. If you're looking at the dominance index, it has gone up quite a bit over the last few hours, as you can see. And that is, of course, kind of unsaid because, Bitcoin had seen, a massive breakout towards the $100,000 price point. We started off a brand new week, first Monday of the year on a really positive note. You couldn't have asked for anything better. We went above 6 figures. And, since then, a little bit of a retracement, but as you can see, Bitcoin is picking up traction right now over the last, hour or so. A little bit of an uptick within the price of BTC, which of course is great to see. So if this momentum carries on and we break out of the resistance around the 102.8, then honestly, you could see more upside. But that's not what we're here for. We're here for, XRP's price. And I really want to show you guys how bullish this chart really looks. And yes, I repeat, how bullish the chart really looks. So here, let's kind of take a look at it from this perspective. Nope, we don't want to leave this chart. So here we are, and I only want you guys to focus on this pattern. So pretty much this new year. And this is pretty much, where we saw that massive breakout, beautiful consolidation. And you can see this for yourself. Our yearly high for now, for the year of 2025, is at $2.50. And you can see the price of XRP, despite dominance going up about 1%, over the past 2 to 3 days, you're still seeing XRP not showing any weakness within its price. And we actually wicked up to the $2.45 a few hours back. Saw a little bit of a retracement because Bitcoin retraced, but you can see, it wants to pick up traction. We have significant amount of resistance where we're currently at. If this resistance is able to break out, would not be surprised tomorrow, we wake up to even a new yearly high. Because speaking about a new yearly high right now, I really want you guys to look at it from a realistic standpoint. This is only a move of about 3.28% from where we currently are. And if this is able to break out, 23.6, literally 23.6 is getting closer and closer. And you're speaking about like what I just said, at the earlier in the update, 23.6, once you crack past this, obviously, we're back in the all-time high territory. And not only that, you're retesting 23.6 without the lawsuit officially over, without Gary Gensler, official announcement of him stepping down, as well as, Donald Trump coming into the office. Imagine all these three things happen, pretty much close to one another. What could potentially happen for the price of XRP? So I think the next few days are very important. The next few hours are very important. Pay very, very close attention to Bitcoin's price. But yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Cannot, want anything other than, what you're seeing right now for XRP specifically. But yeah, let me know down below what you guys think right now. What are your personal predictions on XRP's price? Love each and every one of you guys. If you have watched this video till the absolute end, comment down below ZX to let me know you have watched it till the end. And with that said, I'll wrap it up around here. We'll see you later. It's been Crypto ZX and peace.